How to upload a PDF in ChatGPT and get a summary. So in this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can upload a PDF in ChatGPT and get a summary real quick. So for this, what you're going to do is you're going to want to invest a little bit of money. Now, the reason for that is because ChatGPT has two versions, the free version and the paid version. Now, the free version will not let you upload a PDF or get a summary. But to get the paid version, you're going to come here and you're going to click on Customize ChatGPT, where it's going to give you the renewal plans, and you're going to want to renew it to Plus. It's $20 per month, but what this will do is it will give you privileges to upload images. Okay, so you can upload images into ChatGPT or even PDFs or files, and once you buy this, you're going to get a prompt right here to upload any file you want, and you can upload it and actually get quite a lot of things into this. So you can upload your PDF, get a summary, and your life is easier now. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.